morning guys, bumigay na itong ating memory card reader na Vention. Nakailang taon na rin, salamat sa ilang taon. Napapalitan na natin to, tingin-tingin tayo. Mamaya hindi kaya daw makatransfer ng files yung nandito sa memory stick, magpalit ako ng memory card. Yeah, see you in a bit. Palitan na natin to, let's go. Yan guys, makakapag-drive tayo. Bagong tire block pa. Drive natin to si Innova 2024 model guys. Wow, yan mga bagong Innova ngayon guys. Eagle Eye, parang Hawk Eye. Ito guys. So ito, testing natin. Punta tayo sa mountain. Kaso coding, bawal sa center. Look at the view guys, the greeneries here. Wow. Right, let's go. Hi guys.
So, pinututup po natin ang zero waste. Inalikan kung may madala po tayong plastic bottles, outside foods, at nagtitipid na lang po sa titipid. So, for now, ma'am and sir, hindi po tayo ngayon sa number 2, reliability po. After passing the reliability, all establishments po pala or on the right side. So, number 3, ito po yung last pillar po natin. Dito po yung muna natin
Mag-selfie.
selfie.
Ready? Yeah. Dala nyo. My finger. Say hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Subscribe.
Hi guys. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Sorry. Look at the view. Oh, it's too deep. Shh, huwag ka magjamalak ba?
Bakit nasa laki pa yan? Yung fear ng heights?
Let's go, let's go. Let's take a picture first, then we will let's see mo. Siya here. Ayoko dyan.
Family.
Yung pamilya ko takot.
No! It's okay!
Come here. There's no
They're
bag here.
bugs!
There's no bag here.
Dala niyo.
Oh, no
susunod.
more!
I
Remove them
come,
already.
Dito na, dito na.
No! No!
Oh,
Mommy
picture.
gonna carry you.
Hindi natatakot yung anak ko guys.
See ya!
Galing yung anak ko. Mahulog ka dyan.
Raya, cheers, Raya. Oh, just one, just one.
1, 2, 3. One more time. Waki.
Gusto ko lang solo ko
Taas ang kamay.
Go there.
Ano nga dito pag-isbuan yung nagbayagin.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16
Nature trip. This is my kind of people, man. My kind of people. Imiще. what a nice view. Morning, sir. Si Kuya, nag-ano din, nag-compute ng land area. Survey.
Hello. Moi.
Moika.
Dito ka, mami.
Oh, picture. Kaya.
Zia, come here. Picture tayo kayo dito. I'm gonna buhat you. Come on.
Sige lang po, sige lang. Sige dyan.
Oh, wait, anak. Here. Picture kayo ni... Ready? Go. Oh, look at Mami ka. There. Up your hand.
Okay.
Let's go. Careful. Just hold my hand, okay? Go.
Yes. Oh, zero. What's inside here?
Siya, dito na tayo matulog mamaya, oh. Camping! Let's go! Okay, sige mo. Sige mo. bango nung amoy ng pine tree guys, nakaka-relax. Ang kagandahan pag may water. Meron daw free water sa Kahilob. Kung pupunta kayo dito, dala lang kayo ng tumbler. May free water sa Kahilob. So dito sa bilihan, Coke lang binili ko, wala silang tinitindang water. So yung plastic bottles nga naman, no? At least dito yung tumbler nyo, hindi kayo mag-iipon ng mga plastic bottles. Yung tumbler refill, kasi may ano naman dito, parang ubog. Ang tawag doon is parang spring water, ubog. Yeah. Hidden spring, parang ganun, yung tubig galing sa bundok. So mahalin natin ang kalikasan natin. Ayan, no? Kahit na artificial lang yan, pero yung pinagagalingan yan is from the mountains. Diba? Ganda. Nakaka-relax guys ang tubig. Pakinggan lang muna natin yung tubig. Yan guys, so pababa talaga trekking. So briefing muna kami. Briefing muna kami guys. Let's go. Ang ganda yun, Colombia. Yan pa mga mugs, pang camping. Meron pa ba kayong ano dito, camping site?
Make sure you have the essentials as well. Select the trail that best matches your fitness level and experience. Consider how much time and energy you have before choosing. Stay on marked trails. Stick to designated paths to avoid getting lost, encountering accidents, or harming the environment. Be aware of your surroundings. Stay alert for sudden weather changes and avoid hazards like loose rocks and slippery paths. Yield to others. Follow trail etiquette and give way to other hikers when necessary.
I'm a
Be mindful
hiker.
of the wooden rails. Use
I'm
them
not
for
scared of
guidance, but do
heights
not lean or put unnecessary pressure
When
on them.
I was a baby,
Rest when needed. Use the
I
benches to
scared
sit
of
and
heights.
lean. Don't ignore fatigue, cramps, or any physical signs of exhaustion. Hydrate. Fill up your tumbler from a water station before going
Wala tayong
on
tumbler.
the hike. Avoid refilling from the water supply along the trails. Never smoke, vape, or chew betel nut. Smoking and vaping are forest fire hazards, while betel nut spitting can create unsanitary conditions. Respect wildlife. Observe animals from a distance. Avoid feeding them or disturbing them with loud noises. Do not pluck out flowers or plants.
Picture. Go na.
Tayo, mahinahon trail. Ito anak. Mura din. The cobra snakes, the landslide. Positive na agad si Eko dun pag health issue. May saltik sabi. Action!
Hi, today I'm gonna go to hiking.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go guys.
Let's go, guys. Watch your step, guys. Slowly but surely. Sia's Adventure.
This adventure.
The Sia's Adventure vlog, guys. Watch him on YouTube.
Like, share, and subscribe. Just like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Alright. Thanks.
Sige, mag-stay na kayo lahat dito ako na mag-work.
I'm making an obby.
Okay?
Diyan tayo mag-ex.
Morning, ma'am. Lumabas kami, Apo.
Wala namang view, pusa. Saan?
Doon pa sa baba.
Sige lang.
Doon sa baba. Maganda yung view doon. Hindi pa daw siya tired. Sabi niya kanina, I'm not tired.
Kami ang mahuli. Stay kami kayo apat.
Wow, see? You cannot see that one. You're gonna go up already. See the view. See?
Nakumok naman ako.
Wala kasing tubig. See? You cannot see that view if you're gonna go up already. Nice. Trekking, guys. This is trekking. Kaya may paakyat na dyan. Pero kami, rekta pa kami dito. O dito pwedeng mag-picture dito. Maganyan. O doon sa pinakababa pa pala, oh. Guys, kita nyo doon. Nakababa. Sige.
Ha? Agit na kayo?
Sige. Bye, guys.
Madalas din dito.
Bye everyone.
Bye, everyone. Suko na sila, guys. Suko na sila, guys. Hindi siya naka 10,000 steps. Ikaw, uli ka na. Bye.
Saan? Ang pasok? Ay, hanggang dito lang? Malapit lang, May! Pataas na. No rush naman. No rush. May alaw na kami. Kaya point tayo. Bukas, alas 8 kami.
Trekking. Alright. What a trek. Ito, dumadaan ng tubig pag umuulan guys. Kaya pag umuulan, huwag na kayo pumunta dito. Oh, dyan, magandang picture dyan. Oh. Trekking in Mount Camisong. Oh, ito ang picture. Ito, ganda. Pag ganyan, no? Sino ba? Ikaw ba? Tuloy tayo sa trekking, guys. Tuloy tayo sa trekking. Uy, downhill. Ito mo magagamit yung mga GTX na Cliftons, Clifton 9 and Clifton 10. Sana all. Pagbalik ko, yun na, Clifton 10 guys, no? Yung mga nakasubscribe lang makakapanood nun. Clifton 9. Yung trinek namin, no? Haba. Nauna na sila, pinauna ko na sila. Hintin na lang nila ako. Bablog tayo eh. Kuha ko ng reels. Pakinggan nyo yung tunog ng nature guys. Wala pa daw ngayon camping site pero baka daw soon. Pero hindi pa rin sure. Pero sana sa Mount Camisong. Tapos kung nakita nyo yung drive ko kanina. Saan kayo makyat? Marami rin siya. Oh, ayan, meron pa dun. Ito na, uphill na guys. Kami mahirap. Uphill, ayan sila. Kumuha ko ng reels eh. Wow, what a view. What a nice. What a nice. Pati yung drone, di mo. Pagod. Laspag. Ayun. Ikot.
Hi, I'm just finished hiking and I want to go camping now.
Camping. Let's go.
Oh,
And don't forget to...
like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Close mo na.
You need to walk.
Ayoko nga.
Ay, sasakay. Sasakay.
Did I go at the back? I'll do it at the back. I want to be in the back.
Ilan po?
Bali, 5 pa.
Ah, 5.
Oh, 5.
Maglakad na tayo.
Sige.
Tayo na.
I want to be in the back too.
Hindi, sige lang. Sige lang. Oh, sakay na guys.
Di, pero yung bata ma'am, pwede pong igit na po yung ganitong balik.
Okay.
Okay.
Igit na natin doon, tapos dalawa sa likod.
Maglakad ka na ikaw kasi hindi ka nag-trek.
Sa likod, pwede
Hindi
siya
ako na
kumano.
maglalakad.
Ikaw na maglakad Eko. Ako sakay.
Isa pa doon ma'am.
Ikaw.
Ay, sir. Pwede pong igit na natin yung bata po. At ako yung
Lakad na kayo.
Ikaw na? Oo.
Ako na maglalakad.
Kasi ido-document ko eh. Sorry guys.
Ako na maglalakad, okay? It's a race, It's a race.
Hi guys.
It's a race.
Hindi siya nag-ano eh. Gusto niya din mag-track.
Hindi daw pwede.
Nahamod talaga siya, diba? Thank you for coming po, mami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go, Lola!
At least ano na i-track niya. Hindi siya nag-track.
Kala ko may banyo doon.
Go Eko, kaya mo yan.
Go, Daddy.
Go, 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 go.
At least walang stairs. Walang stairs.
Go, go, go.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye! See you in
Sakitin mo
Villasis!
to na.
I will wait.
Hanggang taas na to?
Hindi nakakakatcha dun sa matarik na yun. No? Malakas din yung makina.
Malakas yan, nababasketball.
Ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Etag TV. Let's go! Etag TV. 400 cards. Shit, ako man hindi ko alam.